County Gate is a representation of what the Linton and Barnstaple Railway would have looked like if it had been extended all the way to Minehead. There had been a project to do so, and the route was actually surveyed. And we chose to show what might have been view of the Linton and Barnstaple for two reasons. Firstly, I believe the railway would probably have survived if it had gone to Minehead. And secondly, by remaining freelance, when we're in exhibition, we don't have too many purists saying we've got the wrong number of tiles on each roof. We began building it in 2006, you get to our age, you kind of get muddled up with centuries. And
I bet you know exactly how many hours, though.
yeah, it's taken us a little over 16,000 hours in all up to now. And the two of us put it together with some specialist help when we need it.